We'll take on some other stories now. Working on the Reserve Bank's motive to achieve complete financial inclusion, the business correspondent model has excelled significantly since its inception in 2006. Here's a report.
In 2006, the Reserve Bank of India circulated guidelines that permitted banks to employ the services of business correspondent to deliver banking services to the vast unbanked and unserved segments of the population. This decision was driven considering the fact that of the 240 million households in India, only 40% had a formal bank account. That implies roughly 150 million households or 600 million individuals did not have a bank account as per the 2006 estimates. The BC model is slightly different from that of traditional banks. The model, unlike the bricks and mortar one, employs agents in rural as well as urban areas who help customers in carrying out their day-to-day banking activities. In the rural hinterlands, where people lack access to banking systems, these agents play a significant role in pursuing the audience by going door to door, asking them to open a bank account and operate it. This exercise also involves creating awareness about the various financial products and services among the unbanked, thereby spreading financial literacy.
फायदा मतलब होता है कि घर में कभी ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है तो इसमें से फटाक से निकाल के घर में लेके काम कर सकते हैं उसका, और इसमें जमा करती हूँ तो इसमें मेरे को काम हो जाता है कि बच्चों के लिए देना पड़ता है, अभी स्कूल की फीस भी है तो अभी इसमें से निकाल के दे सकती हूँ, अभी मैं निकाल सकती हूँ और घर का काम कर सकती हूँ इसमें।
मेरा भाई फिनो में काम करते बंधु करके वो 550 तक अकाउंट खोले उसने, सब लोगों के घर पे जाती है, वो सबको बताती है कि आप सेविंग करो, तो सब लोग हेल्प करके वो खुद सेविंग करते हैं।
It is interesting to learn that the bank-led BC model has brought more than 2 lakh of the 6 lakh villages in India under the formal banking system, and in the process has opened about 150 million bank accounts. This change is attributed to the efforts of several banks and BCs, of which FINO PayTech is the largest. FINO PayTech, as the pioneer in BC and payment technology services in India, has opened more than 40 million bank accounts and services over 63 million customers since its inception in 2006. The company employs modern yet cost-effective technology that includes a biometric authenticated smart card, handheld point of transaction device, mobile phone device, and a huge network of over 45,000 agents across 26 states of the country. Biometrics not only help in identifying the right customer or beneficiary, ensuring delivery of actual benefits to the right person, but also facilitates paperless banking activity. Interestingly, Aadhaar-based subsidy payments, which are also enabled through biometrics, have taken a cue from the success of the BC model.
What we found, the basis of our technology platform was based on smart card and biometrics. The reason behind that was that the connectivity, which was an issue in the rural areas, and plus we needed a foolproof mechanism system to authenticate and identify the customer.
Financial inclusion is not a rural phenomenon only, but is widespread in urban areas as well. This model plays a very important role in the lives of migrant population in various parts of India who are devoid of both a proper residential proof and access to banking services. With a view to reach out to such segments, the Reserve Bank of India has relaxed the Know Your Customer norms, and opening a bank account and doing transaction has become easy for migrants through a BC outlet. Mumbai's Dharavi is a prime example where a huge migrant population thrives and has access to Union Bank of India's banking services through FINO PayTech, among others. At such migrant hubs, money transfer or remittances to families back home are major transactions besides banking.
कम से कम 3-4 साल से आते हैं यहाँ, पैसा डालते हैं, हमारा गांव में पहुँच जाता है पैसा। यहाँ बॉम्बे में हमारा अकाउंट नहीं है, फिनो पे अच्छा सुविधा है, यहाँ डाल के जाता हूँ, हमारा दूसरे तीसरे दिन पहुँच जाता है।
फिनो लाइब्रेरी के कस्टमर के पास तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट तो ज़्यादा रहते हैं कि अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं, हमारे यहाँ वो अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं, जो भी पैसे जमा कर सकते हैं उनके पैसे जमा होते हैं, तो उनके लिए बहुत फ़ायदा है। कभी भी कोई भी हम लाइन लगाना उनको ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ता है, आते हैं पैसे निकाल सकते हैं, अपने आगे जमा कर सकते हैं।
While access to banking remains the core objective, the scope and applicability of tech-enabled bank-led BC model has extended to other product services like government welfare payments like Manrega and wage payment, fixed deposit, remittance, etc. to the hitherto unbanked and underserved segment of the population.
It has given us, we have actually experienced and seen various customers benefiting, especially if you see in the social security pension. A lady living in a rural area with a remote forest village had to come to the GP office or to a bank actually to withdraw the money. But now this money is actually being paid at her doorstep.
It will not be an overstatement to say that the BC model has achieved in a short span what traditional banking could not. However, there is still a long way to go before all of India can be financially included. Sumit Roy's report, DD News, Mumbai.